This is not your typical unboxing video. This is Plant Mail, Greenhouse Edition. Let's get to it. Whoops. Whoa. Why is this so hard right here? Got some editing to do. Normally when people get plant mail, it's like 1 or 2 plants. Well, this shipment alone has 4,000 plants on it, and that's part of about 30,000 plants that we've gotten this week because we're getting ready for spring. And I hate these staples. Petunias. That is nothing. Oh, there it is. I was looking at this. Petunias. Isn't this nice how they box these up? Look at those little babies. There are 288 baby plants in this tray. 288 baby plants in one tray. Pretty cool. The last one in this box is different. This is salvia. It smells like salvia. Which one is it? Pink Nebula. I'll show you the difference between a 288 count, so there's 288 here, versus a 72 count tray. You can see the size difference there. Actually 71, they cheated us. Look at this. Nothing there. Next box. If I just read the outside of the box, it tells me what's in it. So we got some Festuca Elijah Blue and some Stipa ponytails. Stipa is Mexican feathergrass. These are going to be cute as a button. Look at that. Look how cute they are. I should get one out. Look at that little baby feathergrass. Cutest thing you've ever seen. These look so healthy. Look how nice those little feathergrass look. And this is Festuca Elijah Blue, or Fescue. See if I can get one out of there. Nice. Healthy looking. More feathergrass. Good. Need more. We're growing more of this year because it never seems like we have enough Mexican feathergrass. So we'll see if we can grow enough this year. You filming me? It looks like there's just one little tray in here. One lonely tray of feathergrass. Wouldn't fit in the other boxes. It's a lot of cardboard. I hate these staples. We got Achillea. Achillea, also known as yarrow, and these are tall babies. Oh, that's pretty. They're fragrant too. You want to see one? Sure. Wake up. It was a long journey. Okay, here we got some Agastache, or Agastache. I don't know how to say it. And Coreopsis. And I still hate these staples. Okay. Those look like they might have got damaged a tiny bit in shipping. They are putting some little flowers on though. Gara. Hey. 1, 2, 3 missing ones. What the heck? Jackie, what's going on? That looks like Coreopsis. Coreopsis Reina Gold. I think I was supposed to be opening them from this side the whole time because, well, this looks easier. And there's no tape on this side of the box. Maybe I've been doing it backwards. I'm new at this, you know. Telotus. You finally got some Tolodes. I really wanted this last year and we never got it. Oh yeah. Oh, and more petunias. Wow. One more box. That didn't work. It worked out better in my mind. More petunias. This whole box looks to be petunias. Petunias. I'm gonna go get some lunch. That was the end. That's it. Somebody else can pick up all that trash.